Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. It's good to have you guys around. It's Onyinyechi Abadre, and if you're returning, guys, you guys are the real MVP. I miss you guys too. It's been a minute. I know, guys, I'm not being consistent. I'm really sorry. I promise to work on it. I'm not really promising, but I promise I will try and work on it. Okay guys, this is like my go-to makeup routine, my 2022 go-to makeup routine. These days I've been so obsessed with pink. I don't know what it is with me and pink, but whatever it is, I'm loving it. Like, look at this outcome. Please, if you want to know how I created this look, please keep watching. But before that, I'm going to do some few unboxing here, some makeup products I got recently. I'm going to unbox it here before we start, though I already unboxed it on my IG story, but I would love to do the unboxing here too, so I'll share it with you guys. I created this look with few of the products I got recently, and I really love the outcome of this look. That's the reason why I want to unbox it here with you guys, so please stay tuned. Let's get right to it before we begin. Let's go, shall we?
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can.
So guys, before we begin, shall we unbox? Of course we shall. So I don't know, but my favorite part is that like getting to unbox my new makeup products. I love the feeling. Like, every lady, you know this feeling, right? You know the feels, you know the joy whenever you get new makeup stuff and you can't wait to try it out. You can't wait to check it out and try it out. So this is how I feel right now. So here are the two different stuffs I shopped recently, different products, makeup products I shopped recently, and I'll be doing the unboxing. Though I already, like I said, I explained previously, I already did the unboxing on my IG story, so I decided to do it here on YouTube so I can show you makeup stuff I've been up to lately. So okay, we'll begin with this. Begin with this one. This one is a bit older than that. This one came in, the other one came in about 4 days ago. This one came in about, it's been 2 weeks now, or if not more than. I'm going to be showing you guys these lashes I got. It's like 14 in 1, like a tray, lashes tray, yeah. This is what it looks like. I told you guys I started using it already. I used some of this on my clients that I worked on previously. So yeah, these lashes are everything. Dope, super cute, super fluffy, and like human hair. They're really nice. And I also got another lashes. This is like 8 in 1, I'll be 7 in 1. Yeah, 8 in 1 lashes. Yeah. So, and I also got my baby right here. What's this? Sorry, Embryollis primer. Also works as hydrating, moisturizing. You know the work. Yeah. Yes. So, and I got this brow gel. Yes, this brow definer. I also got a new concealer. This concealer is quite pricey. Like, I've been wanting to lay my hands on this concealer so bad. Like, you already know, Kevyn Aucoin. Yeah, I don't know, it's still weird pronouncing that name, but I don't know. So yeah, this concealer is quite pricey. Like, I got this for about 24k. Did I say 24? Yeah, about 24 or 25k. This is what it looks like. So tiny, but no, good things are expensive, and things are so expensive right now. If you're in Nigeria, I don't know if it's a general thing all around the world or so, I don't know, but in Nigeria things are quite expensive. You know how much the dollar is now. Everything is just on the high side. And I also got milk primer. Gosh, I've been wanting to get my hands on this baby for like the longest. I've been wanting to, and quite pricey too. I got this one about 24k too, 24,000 naira. Yeah. So, and I'll be working with it right here because I've been longing so much to get my hands on this product. So once it came, I couldn't wait to come here and unbox it and show you guys, and also do this this routine tutorial, and also try it out with you guys, you know. And I also got a beauty blender, came with a sharpener and a spoolie. Yeah, what again do I have here? I think that's all I got for this. Yes, I think that's all. Okay, I also got a setting powder. I ran out of setting powder the other time. I wanted to make create a look on myself. So and I couldn't get the Laura Mercier because where I normally shop my makeup products is quite far. If you're in Nigeria, it's Lagos. I stay in Enugu and I shop my makeup products from Lagos, so it's quite far. Sometimes when I need something urgently, it's hard for me to get. So I went to a makeup vendor that stays close to me, and he recommended I should get this one. This one is quite cheap. It's quite on. I've not tried it before. This is my first time trying this setting powder. Last time I created a look was my first time trying it, but I can't really give a review on it because I don't know, like I think it's quite too matte for my liking, too mattifying for my liking, but because it's written here ultra mattifying loose setting powder, but I think it's still okay. I think it's not bad for the price. So yeah, that's it for the first makeup I got about 2 weeks ago. And I don't think that's all, but I think, you know, after using for me, I think I misplaced some of it though. I think that's the major things I got. So this one just came in about 4 days ago, and I did the unboxing today on my IG story. And I just want to show you guys. So guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This I don't know why this eyeshadow here gladdens my heart. Like I don't know why, but immediately I saw my makeup vendor, like immediately I saw she posted this the pic of this eyeshadow, this Morphe. I was so, I don't know, there's something about it, you know, new. There's something about you, and the look I'm creating today is a routine, like a go-to makeup routine, like makeup we could always wear everywhere, dates, whatever. So it always has to do with nude. So I don't know why this makeup, like I'm so excited I got this stuff before creating this look because I can't wait to try it out. So look how this is what it looks like. Yeah, see how nudie, so nudie, like so nice. I can't wait to try it out. Yeah, I've seen the shades I love already. Like I can't wait to work with. These days I've been so obsessed with pink, and I'm seeing something really light, very light pink here. So yeah, something like this. I think that's what I'll be working with today. So I'm so excited when it comes to this baby right here that I got. And what eggs do we have here? Okay, I got this said it's foundation. I was looking for a quite pocket friendly foundation, and I wanted to get this NYX new foundation. Yeah, so my vendor, I think her stock, she quite one out of this foundation right here. This is the one I was looking forward to get, but she only has dark shade, and I needed like 2 or 3 shades. So she only has one, that's this dark shade. So I was like, okay, she should recommend me on another foundation to go for. She said I should go for this. This one is quite cheaper than this other one. This one is about 7,500 or 8,000. Yeah. This one is about 3,500, right, or so, I don't know, but she recommended I should go for this. It's quite nice for the price you get. So I think I'll be trying it out. I'll be trying it out here today. I just hope it's my shade though, so I can try it out. And it's called Bechamp Ageless. Yes, that's the 2 foundation I got. And guys, last time I wanted to create this look last time. Yeah, I already did everything, and at the end of my makeup, I found out that I was out of lash glue. Like I could not find the last container of my lash glue. Like, I don't know where I misplaced it. So I was so pissed. Like, imagine after the look, no eyelashes. I wanted to post it like that, but then again I was like, what's the mean? Let me just get this eyelash glue, and you know, maybe I can redo the look, or I can recreate the look again. So I got some eyelash glue. This is the old one I normally use. It's like a black it's like a bonding gum. Many of you know this, like a normal bonding. Yeah, and I also got this transparent one, classic. And this I just got 2 because last time it really taught me a lesson. Always have something you can always use in place of something. Like, I was so mad the last time. I also got Morphe setting mix. Yeah, I've been wanting to get this baby too. I'm so glad I got it finally. And before I have it, I also got I also got mascara, 4-in-1 mascara. It's called this Zaun mascara. Yeah, Nigerian brand. Yeah, shout out to Nigerian brand, killing it. That's, I think this is the last thing we'll have here. This is oh my gosh, she gave me the same shade. Why? Okay, this setting powder, this Laura Mercier setting powder and Anastasia ABH, right? I don't know, I think one of them, but they're in a tester pack because I ran out of my Laura Mercier setting powder and it's quite pricey, you guys already know, and I'm not willing to spend that much money right now, so I decided to go for the tester. This one at least it can send me up to 8 to 10 looks if I'm not exaggerating. So I just got this one. This one sell for 3,500. You get still the same thing, but it's just come on a smaller pack. Okay, I think this is the last thing I got. This is the last thing I have here. So guys, let's begin. Let's begin with today's look. Today's look, you already know what it is. You already know what it's about. I'm so excited, guys. So take your time if you want a good outcome. Take your time and prime. can't wait. Guys, I've been obsessing over pink. Yeah, and I got this lighter pink here. Very light pink. I think I'm going to paint this one here. Yes. Guys, do you guys see my lashes? Like, these lashes are to die for. Period. My boyfriend can't stop staring at me. I know. I know I look too goddamn cute. Cute.
Get on my head. 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 Get on my head.
Okay, let me quickly style my hair and we're gonna call it a day. Hey guys, welcome back again. So we are done with today's look and this is the outcome. Guys, I told you I've been so obsessed with pink lately. You don't know what it is with pink eyeshadow and nail, but whatever is it, I love it. I love it. So please guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share if you can. Do whatever you have to do. Let's grow this page together, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.